I wanted to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you as we gather to celebrate our achievements in this third grading period. Your dedication, hard work, and perseverance have not gone unnoticed. From conquering challenges to embracing new opportunities, your commitment to excellence shines in all that you do. Together, we have created a community of learners who support and inspire one another to reach for the stars. Whether it's in the classroom, on the field, or in extracurricular activities, your passion and enthusiasm continue to fuel our collective success. As we receive our awards and recognition today, let us not forget to acknowledge the support of our teachers and parents and mentors who have guided us along this journey. Their unwavering belief in our potential has been instrumental to our growth and development. Let us carry the spirit of gratitude forward as we continue to strive for greatness in the days ahead. Congratulations to each of you on your well-deserved accomplishments. May we always remember the joy of learning and the power of perseverance. That's all. Thank you.